There is nothing wrong with YouTube. Do not attempt to leave this video. I am controlling what you see right now. Welcome to the unboxing.
Today featuring the Shark DuoClean powered lift-away upright vacuum cleaner with TruePet.
Hello and welcome to our new video unboxing this. As well as Cattail apparently, which might occasionally come into the frame again. This is getting a common theme.
Well, it's good to have.
This is a very big box compared to usual, so let's just get straight into it.
The cat is interested.
Oh, the cat's always interested.
The cat's not scared.
Opening box, opening box.
Scissors.
Okay. Bloop. Why would I not say what these things are? I mean, it's on the title of the video.
I just thought you couldn't remember what it was called.
No, I can't remember at all.
Do you want me to say?
Yeah.
It's some kind of Hoover from Shark.
Yeah, get you back. Oh, it's a box.
Oh my gosh.
A box has a box. We're doing well.
Oh, it's really heavy.
Okay.
Just
Okay.
my hand. Okay.
So, you can't read that, so I'm not going to bother. Shark powered lift away NV801UKT with dual clean, and it should also have pet away, which, as you can see from our cats, we need it.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
Steph.
Ginger hair, ginger fur from cats. It's a nightmare. Our old Hoover is not up to the job.
So, this apparently comes with a 5-year guarantee, which I did not actually know. And I read up a lot, and I still didn't find that. Or I didn't look for it because I wasn't that interested. So, let's get on with this unboxing. So what's inside? Oh, I'm not going to bother reading that. So we've got instructions! Yay! Not. We have part of a Hoover. I should have kept the instructions.
Would you like me to get them back?
No, we're all good.
Okay.
I did not think this camera angle through. So we have the base unit of the Hoover, which should have trapped apparently. I will remove that later because I need to figure out how to extend that. But it's got powered rollers, which our old Hoover didn't have. Which, oh god, never again. More cardboard. Let's go for that hose extension piece with
Cardboard.
Everything's on cardboard. Oh my god, so much cardboard. He's got a brush. Brush. And then we got the extendable hose nozzle pieces, which I'm not sure how well this will turn out on camera. I might have to take a picture and add it in later, so we'll find out if you get one. Don't know if you can see on that. This has got the powered lift away, so this hose has power adapters with it. 2 prongs there to apparently 3 prongs there. So part of the reason we bought this was the powered lift away. The Hoover is B energy rated at 80 decibels. The Hoover's doing a fart.
Yes, the Hoover is doing the fart.
Level of maturity in this house. And I believe this is the TruePet part of the Hoover. Which is just in the powered roller.
Which we did look to see if you could get.
Oh no, it's not actually powered. It's powered by air. As it sucks in, it rolls. That'll be interesting.
Well, we did look to see if we could get it separately with a different Hoover, but we couldn't figure that out, so we got this one.
Another nozzle. Nozzle. Bloop.
Stop throwing the nozzles.
I never use them.
Cardboard.
Yeah. Extendable main piece. Not maybe extendable, maybe not extendable. You know when I threw the instructions away earlier? they might be coming back out to assemble this, which I don't think will be on this video for some reason.
Could be a very long video.
I might do a second video with assembly, but we shall find out depending how I can be bothered. That happens a lot around here. Cardboard! Just so you know you're not missing anything. Okay, now we have Menace Unit. Let's just leave that for a second, see if there's anything else in here.
Cardboard.
Empty box! Cardboard.
Ow! Just threw that on my knee.
Okay, so the main unit. Okay, so what we got? We've got wrapping stuff. We have got wrapping stuff. We've got a cable. Right, so this is the base unit. So I think, although I might have to double check my facts later, this has a 1.1 litre capacity, bagless, so I imagine this component part pops out somewhere. Again, oh no, the top actually comes off to some extent. Ah, there we go. Okay, that part comes away. Take it to the bin, open it up, and bloop. So obviously it's got a filter that needs to be maintained. Put in first. Well, thank God it's in first then. That's not really actually covering anything. Okay.
Clean filter every 3 months or loss of suction may occur. There you go.
And if you get one of these, lift that up, because apparently mine was not seated properly, so the little filter below wouldn't have actually helped at all. So, yeah.
If you can hear that noise, it's the cat scratching the scratching post.
Is there anything useful on the box that might give me hints about what I've said? It captures and holds over 99.9% of dust and allergens inside the vacuum. Okay.
Excellent.
Yeah. Okay, well, I guess that's it. Well, if you like the video, give us a like. And if not, well, I guess a dislike. But we dislike that.
And subscribe for any more unboxings, because apparently we do that a lot now.
Yay!